Today, I will help my customers improve their buildings and make a difference.
Today, I will provide innovative solutions.
Today, I will share my knowledge and experience with my customers.
We are ColonialWebb.
Have you ever considered a sales career in the commercial, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing service industry? We install, repair, and maintain these systems to make buildings comfortable, functional, efficient, and safe. And in today's world, these services are critical.
Working at ColonialWebb means you get to see some really cool stuff, meet some really cool people, and go places people typically don't get to go.
I'm part of a team culture where we're all working towards the same goal.
As a ColonialWebb salesperson, you're not doing just one thing.
When you come to work for ColonialWebb, you're coming to work for an industry-recognized, trusted advisor. Our job is to make a difference for our customers through the solutions and services we provide. Are you up for the challenge? Come and find the answer at ColonialWebb.com.